Hey data enthusiasts, welcome back to Let's Talk About Data. We're in week 11 of our 12-week data science journey. And today is one of the most important episodes yet: how to build an impressive data science portfolio. If you're serious about landing a job or freelance work in this field, a solid portfolio is your golden ticket. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our final episode next week on careers in data science. Also, leave a comment below about what projects you're most proud of. Resumes tell, but portfolios show. When you apply for a job, showing your actual work sets you apart. A portfolio is proof of your skill, passion, and consistency. Google the LinkedIn profile of a data scientist you admire. See if they link to any portfolios or GitHub. Note what makes them stand out. Your portfolio should be clean, easy to navigate, and showcase variety. Ideally, you should cover a few key types of projects. Must-have sections: About Me, projects, at least 3 to 5, blog or articles, optional, contact, resume. Now let's talk about what kind of projects should be in your portfolio. 1. Exploratory data analysis, EDA. Example, Titanic dataset analysis. Tools, Python, Pandas, Matplotlib. 2. Machine learning project. Example, loan default prediction. Tools, scikit-learn, XGBoost. 3. Real-time dashboard. Example, Power BI or Tableau dashboards. 4. End-to-end project. Example, Spotify data analysis or Amazon review sentiment analysis. 5. Web scraping or API integration. Example, scraping job listings using Beautiful Soup. If you want full code for any of these projects, check the description box. We've linked everything. GitHub is your best friend. It shows version control, collaboration, and project structure. Tips: write a clear README with project goals, steps, and results. Use folders wisely: data, scripts, notebooks, results. Pin your top 3 to 6 repositories. Drop your GitHub username in the comments. Let the community check out your work and give feedback. Want to look super professional? Create your own portfolio website. Options: GitHub pages, free, easy, Wix, WordPress, Webflow, drag and drop, custom built using React/HTML. Start a GitHub page right now. Even if it's just one project for now, it's your first step. Having projects is one thing, being able to explain them is another. Practice talking about your role, your thinking process, and your impact. Tips: use the STAR method: situation, task, action, result. Explain tools and why you chose them. Reflect on challenges and improvements. So that was your complete guide to building a killer data science portfolio. You now have everything you need to show the world what you're capable of. Leave a comment with the link to your portfolio or GitHub so we can all support each other. And don't forget to subscribe. Our final episode next week is Careers in Data Science. We'll talk job roles, salaries, interviews, and growth tips. Don't miss it. Pick one project idea from today and start it right now. Share your progress in the comments or tag us on social.